Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Camden to try out the smallest theme park in the UK, Babylon Park. So let's head inside, let's go.
All right, shall we punch it?
Purchased our card to get on the rides. All the rides and all the machines are on like a coin system, so you get like virtual credit on your card. The lowest you can get, £15, gets you 144 credits. The coaster itself, which you come here to do, get the credit, 48 coins. So get a couple of rides, like 3 rides we can get on it really, and then get a little bit of virtual credit to have a go with some of the arcade machines. We've got quite a few other little family rides as well. I'll get some footage of them, show you what they are. It's quite loud in here, I don't know if you can hear me. If not, I might have to kind of record over it because it is very loud, but we're going to get this coaster credit. I'm really excited. Have a look around and bring you some more footage, so stay with us. People that stay there. Enjoying this one? I think it's a great little credit, this one. Off the new coaster credit we've done there. over in Babylon Park. I really enjoyed it. It was quite a little cute one. You got 5 laps, which is really impressive for any coaster. Only 2-minute journey though, so quite a fun one. We're going to see what else we've got around here.
I need to go to the toilet.
So, always a good sign of the theme park, where even the toilets are well themed. Absolutely brilliant theming in the toilet, so really impressed actually.
Toilet! Toilet! Toilet!
What do you think? One for you?
I feel sick looking at it.
Time for the mini Tagada. Do you see that? Still going. Whoa. Too much of this, too much. Woo! So just come off the Tagada there. What an experience. I know it's only like a small one, a family one, but
Good ride, bud.
now rider. I can't imagine what a fun fair one's like. Oh, feel sick after that. It's really good. We bought a ticket, cost £15. That got us 2 rides on the roller coaster. One for me, one for Lindsay. Got me 1 ride on the Tagada. You know what she's like with spinning rides, not for her. But now it's 16 credits, so we'll have a look at the arcade and see what we can get there. We've had a little look around, haven't we, at some of the games. There's quite a lot of hook-ins and stuff like that. Grabber machines, all that kind of thing. It will cost roughly about the same, so 16 credits. We probably have 1 more activation. I don't know if that means we get 1 go on the grabber machine or 3, I don't know. But, it seems a lot really for the grabber machine when the coaster only costs like 48. Like I say, the roller coaster was only 48 points. So, how many is that? 2 or 3? Mad. But we're going to give this one a go. We found Axe Master. Looks like it could be quite a lot of fun where you get through an axe. So let's check this one out.
Wait for the target to clear. Wait for the target to clear. Wait for the target to clear.
You miss 100% of the shots you take.
Wait for the target to clear. Wait for the target to clear. Wait for the target to clear. Final round. Throw.
Go on, throw.
Green zone hit. Last final act.
You got one in.
The crowd are going wild!
You've still got 2 axes there.
we won 12 tickets on the card. We're going to see what we can redeem here at the prize store.
A Mandalorian pulse blaster. My orange.
So, believe it or not, 12 tickets doesn't get you a lot, but we did get some Tango Pop and Candy, so I guess it's something.
If you're agreeable.
So that ends our little trip round Babylon Park. It's a very small arcade with a few rides. It's quite cute actually, well themed. If you are into your coaster creds and counting like I am, it's definitely worth popping in there. It's expensive for what it is, but you know what I mean, creds are cred. Thanks for watching today. We'll hatch you again soon.